Hello students, today we are going to start Maths 2 first chapter Commission, Brokerage and Discount. Now before to start exercise to find commission, brokerage and discount, first we learn the concept and formulas of commission, brokerage and discount. So let's start the concept of commission. When transactions like sale, purchase, auction, etc. are done through some middlemen, such middlemen are called agents. The charges paid to an agent for doing the work on behalf of some other person called principal is called commission. Next concept is principal. Principal refers to an individual party of or parties participating in a transaction. Commission, the charges paid to an agent for doing the work on behalf of principal is called commission. Next concept is commission agents. A commission agent is a person who buys or sells goods on behalf of his principal and gets commission for his service. Next concept is broker. A broker is an agent who brings together the buyer and the seller for the purpose of purchase or sell. This commission is called brokerage and is charged to both the parties. Underline the word, it charged to both the parties. A commission agent does not charge to both the parties, but broker charges to both the parties. Let's start our formulas. Your first formula is what? Invoice price. Its short form is IP. It is equal to list price minus trade discount. Second formula is selling price. It is equal to invoice price minus cash discount. Third formula is profit. It is equal to selling price minus cost price. And fourth formula is loss. Its formula is cost price minus selling price. जितने भी आपने परचेस किया है वो है कॉस्ट प्राइस और वो सेलिंग प्राइस मतलब जो प्राइस में आप सेल कर रहे हो वो है सेलिंग प्राइस. तो लॉस इज कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. Let's start our exercise 1.1. In this, your first question is, an agent charges 12% commission on the sales. What does he earn if the total sale amounts to rupees 48,000? What does the seller get? First of all, you have to write what is given and what you have to find. So given that rate of commission is equal to 12%. Total sale is equal to 48,000. Agent's commission 48,000 के ऊपर 12% वो कमीशन ले रहा है. सो 12% ऑफ टोटल सेल, 12% ऑफ 48,000. टोटल सेल 48,000 है. 12/100 इंटू 48,000 कैलकुलेशन के बाद आपको आंसर मिलता है 5,760. कमीशन का एजेंट 5,760 दिया है. उसने सोल्ड कितने में किया है? 48,000. तो 48,000 में से उसने कमीशन को एजेंट को कमीशन दे दिया है 5,760. तो उसके हाथ में कितना बच रहा है? तो नाउ अमाउंट रिसीव्ड बाय द सेलर इट इज इक्वल टू टोटल सेल माइनस एजेंट्स कमीशन. इट इज इक्वल टू 48,000 माइनस 5,760 इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 42,240. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? नाउ गो टू our question number 2. Your question number 2 is, a salesman receives 3% commission on the sales up to rupees 50,000 and 4% commission on the sales over rupees 50,000. Find his total income on the sale of rupees 2 lakh. 50,000 उसने अगर सेल किया तो उसको कमीशन कितना मिलता है? 3%. बट ओवर 50,000 ने सेल किया तो उसका कमीशन का रेट 1% भी इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है, मतलब 3% का 4% होता है. अगर ये महीने में उसने 2 लाख का सेल किया है तो उसको कितना अमाउंट मिलेगा कमीशन के फॉर्म में? लेट्स स्टार्ट. कमीशन ऑन सेल्स अप टू रुपीज़ 50,000. 50,000 का उसका रेट कितना है? 3%. सो 50,000 इंटू 3% मीन्स 3/100. कैलकुलेशन इज रुपीज़ 1,500. 50,000 के ऊपर उसको 1,500 रुपीज़ कमीशन मिलता है. बट उसने सेल कितना किया है? 2 लाख का. तो 2 लाख माइनस 50,000 हम करेंगे तो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट के ऊपर हम 4% कमीशन लेंगे. सो सेल्स ओवर रुपीज़ 50,000 इट इज इक्वल टू 2 लाख माइनस 50,000 इट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 1,50,000. commission on sale over rupees 50,000, it is equal to 4% of 1,50,000, means 4 upon 100 into 1,50,000, it is equal to rupees 6,000. Salesman's total income, it is equal to commission of sale up to 50,000 plus commission on sale over 50,000. 50,000 के ऊपर उसने कितना कमीशन लिया है 1,500 प्लस 1,50,000 के ऊपर कितना कमीशन लिया है तो 6,000. सो टोटल he earned 7,500 rupees. I hope you understood. Go to our question number 3. Question number 3 is Miss Saraswati was paid rupees 88,000 as commission on the sale of computers at the rate of 12.5%. If the price of each computer was 32,000, how many computers did she sell? What is given? एक कंप्यूटर का प्राइस दिया है. प्राइस ऑफ वन कंप्यूटर इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 32,000. रेट ऑफ कमीशन दिया है, इट इज़ वॉट 12.5%. कमीशन ऑन द सेल ऑफ कंप्यूटर इट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 88,000. तो कमीशन इज इक्वल टू, कमीशन का फॉर्मूला है, कमीशन इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस इंटू रेट ऑफ कमीशन अपॉन 100. कमीशन कितना है 88,000. 88,000 इट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस दैट यू आर टू कैलकुलेट into rate of commission is 12.5%. So 12.5 upon 100. So selling price is 88,000. 100 goes in this side, it is multiplied and 12.5 को मैंने 125 कन्वर्ट कर दिया है तो वो 10 हो गया, वो भी ऊपर चला जाएगा. So 88,000 into 100 into 10 divided by 125. कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद आपको आंसर मिलता है 7,04,000. दिस 7,04,000 इट वॉज टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ कंप्यूटर. मतलब सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज वॉट 7,04,000. नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ computers sold. So number of computers sold it is equal to total sale upon sell price of one computer. Total sale कितना है 7,04,000. वन कंप्यूटर का प्राइस कितना है 32,000. सो 7,04,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 32,000 इट इज इक्वल टू 22. सो 22 computers she sold. Now next question is question number 6. The income of broker remains unchanged through the rate of commission is increased from 4% to 5%. Find the percentage reduction in the value of the business. Let's start. Let initial value of the business be rupees 100. Initial value दिया नहीं है तो हम वो assume कर रहे हैं कि वो rupees 100 है. तो original rate of commission is what 4%. तो original value of business is 4% of 100. So 4 upon 100 into 100 is equal to rupees 4. Original value of business is rupees 4. Now new value of business, suppose new value of business be rupees X. वो माना है हमने. तो new rate of commission is what rupees 5%. तो new value of business is 5% of X. So 5x upon 100. Original value of business equal to new value of business. So original value of business is what 4 and new value of business that you calculate 4x upon 100. So 4x divided by 100. So your x is what 400 upon 5. 400 upon 5 is 80. So percentage of reduction in the value of business is equal to original value of business minus new value of business. Original value of business is what 100 and new value of business that you calculate it is 80. So 100 minus 80 is equal to what 20. So percentage of reduction in the value of business equal to what 20%. I hope you understood all these questions. You try remaining sums of exercise 1.1 at home